What is going on, In the Loop fans? We're here at Six Flags over Georgia, checking out Gotham City and all the great things here at Six Flags. You got Batman backwards, you got all the new construction going on here, so let's come into Gotham City and check it out. All right, coming this May is the Joker Chaos Coaster Larson Looper, and if you peek up here, you can see the loop. It's right there, pieces.
Not all of them.
That's all we got for this Larson Looper. One more look. On to more stuff. Alright, over here we got more things coming for the Larson Looper Joker coaster. More supports, more stuff under tarps. That's what we got. This thing right here looks pretty important. And if you zoom in here, that's part of the track. Oh, the good Larson Looper stuff. Alright, something awesome that's new for 2015, as I lift this up here, is the green souvenir bottles here at Six Flags. They're good for free refills all season long. So, not just today, but all season long, I get free refills with this cup. That's a lot of Coke Freestyle. And also new for this year, limited time magic, Six Flags version of Batman backwards. Now through May 10th. Look here, you can see it going up the lift hill backwards. This really is going to be a strange sight to see. Backwards through the loop. More backwardsness. And now we can't really see it. So just got off namtaB or Batman backwards and not good. Dizzy, like paratrooper bad. Yeah, like my body didn't like it. The lift hill was probably the coolest part. So you go up that backwards and you're like all your weight's in your harness. That's one thing. It's all right, but from up here all the way down to the brake run over there. Not good. It's very dizzying. Didn't like it. I probably will never ride Batman backwards again. And yeah, it's limited time for a good gimmick, but nobody seemed to really enjoy it. Nobody in the station was happy. It's just right now, like you're just thrown into your harness, something like that. It's just not good. You don't really know what you're doing, you're banging your head around. It's just as intense and way more dizzy. But the good news is, not a long line. I waited for the front row, which is the back row, but that's the one that has the view. So the view is really cool and weird, but I don't recommend this. But that right there is Batman backwards. And then over here we got the Harley Quin Spin Sanity coming this May. It's a tilt-a-whirl. See what's going on over here. Concrete was poured. That is your Harley Quinn update. And here's one more update of the Harley Quinn site. It's just dirt so far. The Larson Looper is going over there, if you were curious about the distance of where one is versus the other. That one's here. This one's here. Alright, this has been your Gotham City construction and new stuff update from Six Flags over Georgia. Thank you for watching this video. You can look around the land here as I say goodbye. It's Mindbender right there. The entrance is right there. It's got a big question mark. There's a restaurant there and some beer jail. There's beer jail right there. My name is Drew. You can follow me at Drew the Intern. Make sure you check us out on Facebook. Facebook.com/InTheLoopPodcast. I'm on Twitter at Drew the Intern. I already said that. On Instagram, we are at In the Loop Podcast. And you can, of course, find our website at www.intheLoopPodcast.com. Thank you for watching this video and every other video we have, and all that great stuff. And we will see you around from the Midway.